were saying the subterranean temperature. About 50 degrees.
Very consistent.
All the time?
It's in the 50s,
so this is why, like, your basement can sometimes feel warm in the winter.
Geothermal heat is all based off of that capacity, the heat capacity that's in the ground at all the time. So it's not influenced so much by weather.
Oh, like yesterday versus today?
Like totally yesterday versus today. Oh my goodness.
What is going on out there?
And from north to south, it's totally a different story. Let's get into the forecast, friends. We have temperatures that are in the mid-60s. We do have some scattered storms to talk about. There's really not a whole lot of lightning on this. It's more or less just rain that's coming down. But a couple different areas that we are watching. One is this rain that is out to the west in Erie and Huron counties. Some nice little downpours coming out along Vermilion and moving right along the lakeshore toward Lorain. We also have some showers down around Lodi at this point, sneaking up into the Worcester area too. And then also some heavier rain showers down around Massillon, and you get down into Tuscarawas and Carroll counties. These are some pretty robust little showers that are moving along to the northeast. There's some new lightning down just to the south of Coshocton. But as you can see, Stark County, Tuscarawas, Carroll County, this is going to continue to move to the east. So Carrollton, you have a pretty hefty shower coming your way. Look at the difference in the temperatures yet again. We're in the mid-60s along the lakeshore, but upper 70s farther south into Dover. And you can see how the winds are circulating in various directions. Everything's kind of coming together. The frontal boundary is hung up in northern Ohio, and this will become a focal point for more rain development over the next 24 hours. Not only that, but you can see this front that kind of scoots all the way back down towards St. Louis. Very warm, very humid air to the east of it, cooler air to the west. The cold front lies right around Chicago right now, and that will slowly be pressing to the east. At the same time, we'll have this next surge of energy and moisture that's moving up toward Ohio. So everything's kind of squeezing in. And the way things will time out is that we will find temperatures peaking midday and then sliding as we get into the afternoon tomorrow. So for tonight, the temperatures with winds backing off will be more equal as we'll be in the 60s through the midnight hour. Tomorrow morning, some scattered showers around, maybe some rumbles of thunder too, with temperatures in the 60s to begin the day. We'll find the temperatures surging into the mid-60s early, and then look at the temperature drop that happens from about 10 to 12. You can see that the temperatures went from about 60 to near 50 in downtown Cleveland. So if you work in Cleveland, make sure you bring a jacket tomorrow, even though it's going to be warm everywhere else. We'll have scattered showers. The temperatures south will be warm yet again, up into the 70s possibly, before the temperatures begin to cool. Note by 6 p.m. now, we have the 50s that are advancing southward, some scattered rain and shower chances holding on. And then by and large, we will get into a bit of a drying trend Friday night into Saturday with just scattered rain showers hanging around on Saturday. Here's your Universal Windows Direct forecast. Mid-60s tomorrow. Remember, that's midday. Then the temperatures fall. We'll have scattered shower chances around on Saturday. I wouldn't say it's a washout by any stretch, but a beautiful day expected Sunday with mid-60s, partly cloudy skies. We'll warm things up again Monday into Tuesday as we get back into the 70s. And it looks like there is more scattered rain and shower chances that'll be around as we head through next week. Sarah?
Thank you, Betsy.